Yes. What was that? Who's here? Ow! What was that for? What are you doing? I'm being a sneaky robber. You rob your own house? This isn't my house. Yes, it is. The room next door is yours. Who does that belong to? Me, apparently.